Since I bought this Ferrari, we've never been able to get it started. And we think the reason why this car don't start is something to do with this in the hybrid battery. We've tried absolutely everything. Apart from this, the battery management system. This is the computer which controls everything that goes on inside that battery. And if this is telling the battery not to power up, then we've got a problem. And that'll be the reason why this doesn't start. We sent this module to the airbag team to see if they could see if there was any crash data on there that was preventing us starting the car. And they come back to us and they said, not one person can actually talk to these battery control modules. Your best chance is to go to the main dealer to do it, which we didn't want to have to do. We almost know from Ferrari there's no pyro fuse in here, there's nothing we can do about it, so we might as well reassemble this back up, so once he's finished we can get this back into the car and slowly start plugging everything in, because if we can get the ignition even to turn on at the end of all this work, we've made some really good progress. With the warning, hybrid system failure, go to dealer. We've now tried everything. And as far as the car knows, it's completely back together, but still won't turn on. It's 2:25 in the morning, and I've gone through every single fuse on this car, and I cannot find a faulty fuse on it. If it is just a case of like a main dealer plugging into it and cancelling it all off, great. But I feel like I'm wasting my time if it is something to do with that. So I am really stumped at the minute. I'm really stumped.
When we look at the fault codes on here, it's actually bringing up crash fault on the EV system. So if you look there, crash data error, and that is a present fault as well. It's not an old fault. So that is definitely going to cause us an issue. When we look at C2 here, it's showing us CAN bus off. So that's telling us that we've got no comms with the CAN bus system itself. So that again is a present fault. So I think first and foremost we need to attack the HV system, get that crash data cleared. That might then clear the CAN bus 2 fault as well.
And with that crash data that's stored on the battery, just like the Revolto, we may need to order a new battery to get around that. Crash data that's stored on the battery, just like the Revolto, we may need to order a new battery to get around that. And if that battery needs code into the car, the only people that can do it are Ferrari. So we're in a tough situation now. The only good side we can take out all of this is that the car is pretty much rebuilt. But question is, does it start? The answer is no, it doesn't.